Memorial Day, I am doing this beautiful patriotic tablescape. Starting off with this 5-glass tea light holder set with the ball candles. Beautiful blue glassware. Blue star plates that I thrifted. Beautiful dinnerware that I got from the estate sale. Acrylic napkin rings. I have here a couple of choices of runners and placemats. Not sure which one I'm going to use. I also have these gorgeous, oh my God, gorgeous. And I only got 2. So I'll see if I'll use those. And those are placemats. And then this beautiful ruby red tablecloth. So let's go ahead and get it together. Let's come in with this runner down the center and use this as a placemat. I'll use these on the end. Yeah, I'm liking that. What do you think? Let me know in those comments. Just wanted to demonstrate for you that you don't always have to have a matching 4-piece set of everything. In this particular tablescape, I only had 2 and 2, but I wanted to make a table for 4. So I have 2 different placemats and 2 different sets of napkins, but it all coordinates together beautifully. Happy Memorial Day and happy Tablescape Tuesdays, the weekly open collab brought to you by the Ladies of Elegance, myself, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful patriotic tablescape and that it gives you inspiration. Let me know what you think in those comments. If you're enjoying today's video, do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.